Yeah, so this is us.
It bites you.
And this bird, it doesn't like fly away. It's like really.
Oh, it's on her finger. It's on her finger.
Oh my gosh! Odessa! I'm recording it.
You're crazy, Lil. Crazy.
You guys should bring her phone and take a picture of her.
That's sick. What is your phone? Lucky Odessa.
Way to get away from me.
It's so cute. Oh, shoot, say it was there.
No, watch out. Let me hold it.
No. Oh, I want this bird. He doesn't want to get off because he knows you'll drown.
You guys should take it home.
I want it.
Hey, we should, huh? Yeah, we
I
should take it
know.
home, huh?
It's a wild. It would be me, Isai's, and Dessa's, and Andrew's, and Hunka's bird. It's my birdie.
Hey, Dessa, can I hold it?
Can we take it home?
No.
I don't know. I know it's not
All the
theirs.
way over there, nobody's watching.
Ooh, can I kiss it? I don't even like animals.
Let me hold it.
Kiss it. It's all. Kiss it first, then you hold it. Ugly.
No, that's not right. Dessa, don't kiss it.
Why not?
Mike has a disease.
It's a disease. You want this pet and you think it has a disease?
Well, we're gonna wash it. No. Oh, dang. Put it back on here. Put it back on here. Once you get
Oh
back
my
up.
gosh, don't make it fly away.
Okay.
There. Let me pick it up. Let me pick it up.
Wait, what are we gonna name it?
He's trying to catch the fly.
Well, those freaking flies, I'm about to whoop one.
Watch out. Let me get it. Let me get it.
Ew, I just pooped.
Dude, ew.
Oh, that's
Now I know what it looks like.
Oh, stop. Get it.
Get it, just I get it.
No, you get it.
Stop, dude. This thing's about to fall in the water.
Why are you so scared?
Oh my god.
Dude. Why are you so scared? You better let it
I hate birds.
Come on. The thing was about to die. You guys gotta back up.
You guys better move, man. I'm gonna drop my phone in the water.
How does it feel?
Feels fun.
Where'd it go? Keep going.
Look what you did.
That wasn't me.
Not you. Dessa.
This is away from us. Well, I got a picture of it picking it up.
You did?
I was looking at it. Come on, dive to it.